Wow. We got this bad boy right here, y'all. Got that 720 out here. Miniature Squad, it's your boy Fiero Boy 86 coming back with a brand new video. So I have made it out here to the spot. If you not follow me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so at Fiero Boy _86. Also, please follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fiero Guy. And if you have not, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell. So when I'm ready to drop bangers like this, they will come right down to you. Like, awesome. Triple smash that like button for your boy, man. Triple smash that like button for y'all, boy. So right now, y'all, so we do have a few people in the place. Hey, go ahead and scream at that channel, man.
What's up, man? Baby Nation, you know, I'm new to the game. I'm out here at 32 game. Car show gonna be today. Just hit that like, subscribe button, get at it.
Hey, y'all, let's go ahead and run this man up. And look at who else we got in the building.
Lucky Wheels and Deals.
Yes,
man.
Sir.
Hey, if y'all guys don't know about my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Here, while you on this channel, what's the name of your channel?
And name of my channel is Fiero Boy _86.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you already know, bro. You already know.
Yeah, but come over here to Lucky Wheels and Deals, show support, love, man. And man,
good dude right here, people. Go ahead and follow the channel, man.
Videos every day.
Yes.
Every
yes.
Day, so.
Go ahead and follow that channel, people. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I got over 108,000 subscribers.
Look at that, beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
I keep shit lit, man.
Oh, y'all know.
I'm supposed to be every day. I'm working right now. I'm about to edit a video while I'm posting. Wait for everyone.
Hey, I'm doing the same thing right there with you. You know what I'm saying?
Right now.
Yeah, most definitely, bro. Hey, y'all already know, man. We up out here. We just waiting up there. We literally waiting up on everybody right now. We waiting on everybody. So hopefully they should be coming soon, y'all. Boy, I will pick up the camera when everybody get here. Y'all can tell we got people coming in, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Got this clean scat right here. Oh, wee. Yeah. Yeah, then we got this Cadillac on swingers. Look at that. Got this Cadillac on swingers right here. Ooh wee. Look at that. Of course, look at this. Of course, we got the 728 automobile. Yeah, boy, look at this thing right here. Yes, sir. Got the Mustang looking good, y'all said. Yeah, and of course, y'all can go ahead and follow him up on YouTube and also Instagram right there, y'all. Let's get it. Then we also got this blue scat right here. Ooh, wee. This right here. Super clean. Super clean, y'all. Ooh, wee. Y'all, we also have Griffin family car right here. Clean. Yeah, got it looking good. You know what I'm saying? Lambo doors on there. Man, look at this boy right here. My boy KW. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Then we got my boy up in the building. Who we got in the building? My boy Billionaire Brent. Yes, sir. Got this bad truck, y'all. Look at this bad truck right here, man. There's nothing like it, bro. Look at that, clean. Then we got all the bikes over there. As y'all can tell, we got all the bikes over there. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Boy Camden pulled up with the Camaro. Yes, sir. Ooh wee, my boy Camden pulled up. Yeah, man. Hey, man. This Camaro, man. Yeah, it's ready to race, y'all. Tell him. It's ready to race. Yes, sir. Yeah. I feel you on that though. I mean, for real though, man. Oh no, they ain't no joke, man. But hey, I ain't gonna say nothing. But I have another Fiero on the low.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's gonna be ready. I promise you. It's gonna be ready. So it's gonna be LS. It's gonna be LS. So
That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah, man. But huh?
What you doing today?
Oh, no, my regular.
Okay.
That's my daily right there.
All
Fiero
right.
born in Square 86. I only be up on that Fieros
I'm about to add you on
and
here.
Chevrolet Corvairs. I'm also a YouTuber too.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Come on, we up out of here, man.
Yeah, I'm adding you.
Yeah. How about the copyright music? But check out this bad motor right here. Look at that right there, y'all. So, yeah, man. So, come on, man. Tell me a little bit about it, bro. I need to know.
Well, if they keep up with Street Outlaws, which most people don't, that's not how to race it. Ryan Martin, who always winning, Fireball Camaro, then his company built this Camaro here, as you see, it's number 7.
Yeah.
They built like, I think it was like, I don't want to give you a false number, but it was like a couple, maybe 100. It's like the Carroll Chevy, but like Camaro. It's
Okay.
Like how they different packages.
Yeah.
This is a Fireball Camaro, so it's not really many.
Okay.
There's a 700 package, which is this one, like with 700 horsepower, Pro
Yeah.
Charge. Then they got the 900 horsepower ones. So, pretty simple.
Yeah.
Like I said, this is number 7. Serial number, Ryan Martin's signature right there.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, let me block it up a little bit. As y'all can see right there, hey man, this right here is a legit Fireball Camaro, y'all. Hey, like I told y'all, don't be messing with this man right here. If you see this man in the car, I'm just telling y'all, he gonna go crazy. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh my God.
Boy, nigga, woman coming back at y'all, man. That's LINGOBOOMIN. I'm back here. I'm out here. You know, CJ on 32's car show, Southern Reese car show, and we got real pulling us. You know, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be turned. Make sure y'all subscribe to me. Shout out to the man behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? Got his own content. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. We finna get back into it. I love y'all niggas.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. We here. Chandler.
Hey,
There he is. Come on.
family balling. Come check us out, YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Funny pranks, and we got some car folk footage and just family life, man. Just dealing with the kids, dealing with the wife, and everybody dealing with me.
Yes, sir, man.
all
Hey, they have a very, very lit channel, y'all. Go ahead and go check them out, man. Go ahead and go check them out. Y'all already know. Hey, we go all trying to run it up. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. It's enough out here for everybody.
Yes, sir. You already know.
Nothing but abundance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got a channel? You ain't got no cut. You ain't got no social media or nothing. Okay. Most definitely. Come on, man. I need that channel, sir.
Yeah, Cavs
Oh man, you gonna do me like this?
That's the thing. I mean,
Come on.
Cavs like to like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. I'm on there.
Yes,
Just trying
sir.
to get monetized at this point.
Yes, sir. Let's run them up, y'all. Let's get him to that 1K. Let's do this, man.
Now that it's out the shop, it should be back on the channel board.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Oh yeah. I'm ready for that, man. Let's go. I'm ready.
When you you know, cause it's a little misprint,
Yeah.
but it's the life of Rico that doing
There you
battles.
go, right there.
Just to let you know, every letter, every word of each letter, just capitalize each.
Okay. We got you. We
This
got
a little
you.
misprint right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for me, man.
Oh yeah. We know we got you, bro.
I'm hollering at you down
Oh yes, sir.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Come on.
What you all? My Instagram?
Yeah, everything. Come on. I need that.
Man, you know what it is. 924 with a hit.
Yeah.
Go follow my boy.
Yeah, man. Y'all already know. Hey, man. This right here is this bad car, bro. Hey, man. This car is bad, y'all. Look at this. Clean. Super clean. That right there is his Instagram. Y'all, please go ahead and go follow him right there. Please. Yes, sir.
Clean, huh?
Yes, sir. Look on who we got in the building, y'all. We got Kawari in the building. Huh? Oh yeah, hey man. I love the like the brand new Corvette mid-engine. But you know what? Hey man, the original mid-engine, which is the Pontiac Fiero, bro, you gotta have it. You gotta have it, man. You gotta have it. I'm just saying, bro. Yeah, man. Look at Kawari. Ooh, looking good, bro.
Watch out behind you.
Looking good. And then we also got my boy Real 2 Real in the building. Yeah, man. Clean, 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 y'all. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey, I got you, bro. Oh my. Somebody pulled up in the Lambo, man. Ooh, somebody just pulled up in the Lambo. That's what's up. Yeah.
Man, why you ain't post our video?
Come on, man. I'm working on it, bro. Hold on. Come on, man. Go. Come on, go and scream out the channel. I need you.
Man, listen, I ain't gotta say.
Come on, hey. Let's go ahead and go subscribe to my boy, man. Come on, man. Let's go ahead and go and subscribe to my man.
Man, hit that goddamn notification bell, cause I need them numbers to go up.
Yeah, man. We need them to
Trying to
run.
get that bag, bro.
Yeah, man. I feel
One of
you.
these, you know.
You, yes.
Watch yourself behind you.
Oh no. Hey, you mean a Pontiac Fiero, right? You mean a Pontiac Fiero, right? I'm just saying. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, bro. You know what I'm saying? What's going on? You alright, bro?
Check it out. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy, man. You know what?
Fiero boy underscore 86, man.
Fiero boy underscore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You need that 1K.
Yes, sir. Mid-engine gang on deck. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Ooh, look at this bad boy right here. Everybody delivering poison. Very nasty, y'all. Look at this. Man.
Hey, an opportunity, you gotta stop everything and just go with it.
Yeah. What's up, real too real? What it do, man? Hey, go ahead and swim out that channel for me, man.
Man, that's real, man. Y'all see how we coming, man.
Look at that.
See my boy Lionel
Ooh-wee.
coming through right
Look at that, man.
You know what I'm saying? Rolls Royce.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Come on, and y'all can rent all them junks. You know
Yes,
what I'm saying?
sir.
Everybody, right there.
I mean, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look who all coming in. Ooh-wee.
Hey, Chris, let him move.
Yeah, man, you got Vino the Don over there. Yes, sir. Hey, it's my boy. What's up, dog? You already know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We all up out here today. We all up out here today. Yeah, man. What you think about the lineup coming in, bruh? What you think about the lineup coming in? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, man. I got the dough up. Oh my God. Yeah, they go everybody up over there. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Hey, man, what's that channel, bro? Come on, scream it on out. I know.
Hey, this shot by Beezy, but you already know it. Instagram, ATM Beezy, you already know we coming hard.
Oh, yeah.
Orange challenge charger right there, man.
Yes, sir.
Popping out this summer.
Hey.
Watch out for 'em.
Hey, and you already know what it is, hey man. You already know it's your boy Fiero boy underscore 86 up on YouTube and up on Instagram, 214 Fiero guy. I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Pontiac Fiero and Chevrolet Corvair footage. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. We out here. Ooh, we got them forges on there too. That move right there is super clean, bro. right there, y'all.
What you think about it?
Hey man, super clean. I like them all, bro. I want them all. Give me all of them. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
In the building, man. I'm in Dallas, Texas with the gang in there, man. What's your shit?
Hey, so mine is Fierro Boy _86.
Okay.
Up on YouTube and up on Instagram, 214 Fierro guy. I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Pontiac Fierro and Chevrolet Corvair footage.
Okay, you got it, man. Y'all heard why y'all should subscribe to him right now. And your subscribe don't count if you don't hit the bell, so I need y'all to hit the bell. Also, you listening to me talk, but you ain't hit the like button yet, man.
Yeah,
Go ahead
man.
and hit the like button, man. What's up, my boy, right here?
Campsite 12, I got a card actually. Everything on it.
Yes, sir. I see it, man.
YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I mainly do car ride-alongs and fast cars, stuff like that.
Okay.
Trying to build my channel, do something different, do import, things like that. But we'll see how it goes.
Marty Mar approved this shit, y'all. And I know that y'all listen to me also talking, y'all have not hit the like button yet. That shit is sad. Hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button. You gotta hit the bell, or just subscribe don't count, man. Stop playing my voice. I don't know who the fuck is calling me, man.
It's the only Mary V, man.
Yeah.
Where you be seeing me at?
How come I be seeing you up on YouTube?
Yeah,
I be seeing you. You already know what it is, man. Hey, man, it's your boy Fierro Boy _86 up on YouTube.
Yeah.
Up on Instagram, it's 214 Fierro guy.
Yeah,
All
we're gonna drop all that right here for y'all.
you already know. And what I do, I bring Pontiac Fierro footage
Yeah.
and I also bring Chevrolet Corvair footage.
Yeah.
You already know. We up out here,
Oh,
man.
This the car, man. Y'all go follow that, man.
Yeah, y'all already know, man. Most definitely. We up out. Okay. Most definitely, man.
I have a
You know.
turbo truck. So
Okay.
find me on them. Everything a day with iLife, LYFE.
Already.
Oh.
Come on, man. You know we up out here, man. _86 up on YouTube. So
why you
And up-
Fierro Boy? Let's
Hey,
explain
you
why
know
you
why?
Fierro Boy.
Because I'm the first gen mid-engine car owner. Yes, sir. I'm the first gen. Yes, sir. Hey, you already know. Hey, y'all already know, man. Y'all already know. We up in here. Come on, man. People, y'all already know, man.
I normally have my lucky little.
I know, man. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, man. Lucky was the deal, man. If y'all guys want to know how to make some damn money, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man.
You know he got you, man. Yes, sir. Yeah.
look at this guy. What's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
Yeah, man. Well, definitely, bro. What you thinking, man? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, bro. That's right. It's how we do it, man. That's right. It's how we do it. Yeah, man. Uh-oh. Channel, man. I need that channel. Yes, sir. There he is, y'all. Hey, let me tell y'all about this man right here. This right here is the man that can do anything. He can create anything, whatever you want to do. Come over and come talk to this man. He got you, bro. He got you. You know what I'm saying? Wow. We got this bad boy right here, y'all. Got that 720 out here. Then we also got this I-8 out here as well. This I-8 is crazy. Ooh, bad I-8. Then we also got this Rolls Royce. This Rolls Royce clean. Oh my goodness, look at the interior on that. Look at the interior on that. Wow. Look at that, y'all. Hey, and y'all can go ahead, if you're looking to rent, you can go ahead and go right there. Yeah, man. Look at this. Ooh, got this other Rolls Royce. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Super clean. Yeah, man. Then we also got this orange I-8 up here. Wow. Super clean. Wow, super clean, man. Look at that right there. Super clean. Yeah, man. Ooh-wee. Here, super clean, y'all. Look at that. Another clean McLaren. Then we also got this Lambo. Yeah, man. Got this clean Lambo right here. Got the forges on there. Ooh-wee. Man, it's nothing like a mid-engine, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Point blank range. It's nothing like a mid-engine car, man. I build them. Hey, Pontiac Fieros all day, man. Hey, it's nothing like a mid-engine car. I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all gonna love it. I'm telling you. Oh, Lord. Yeah, man. My bad, man. Oh. Yeah.
It ain't gonna bite you.
It ain't gonna bite
No.
you. I'm taking a picture.
You know you famous, he ain't gonna bite you.
Hey, calm down, man. I ain't famous.
There's a whole snake on her. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Ain't you a fan? Don't y'all have snakes?
Shit, not like that.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Maybe my real Mexicano brothers, yeah.
Yeah.
Get the camera off this dude right here. He got an iPhone and he talking crazy.
First thing wrong with an iPhone, the Apple already got a bite out of it, so you know it's shit.
Oh, wow. Ooh.
Hell nah, cause I got an Apple Watch too, motherfucker. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Yeah, y'all already know, man. Y'all already know. Yes, sir.
That bullshit.
But all that bullshit.
Yes, sir.
Ain't shit wrong with an Apple Watch.
Should have been an Android watch.
Yeah.
No. Boy, not no sales.
Hey, but what's your YouTube?
Okay, so my YouTube channel is FieroBoy_86 up on YouTube and up on Instagram 214 Fiero Guy. I'm the only guy that can actually bring you Fiero content and Chevrolet Corvair content all day, every day, 24/7.
Who all got channels?
Yes, sir.
Shout out right here.
My name Mario, right here. My name Mario Twist, man. I do like a lot of public interviews.
Up, my boy.
I do a lot of public interviews. I do a lot of reactions, man. Y'all can find me at Mario Twist or Mario Twist Reacts on YouTube, man. I'm still grinding, man. I'm coming up and down.
My boy. What's yours?
I'm a football player. I'm the cameraman to him.
Cameraman of him, okay.
Yeah.
Y'all a team then?
This is my little brother, yeah. My little brother.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Hey man, it's Chris the Fool. You know what I'm saying? I'm an actor, I'm a model, you know what I'm saying? I just started the YouTube, I started a party, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all see a whole lot of ratchet things going on, man, a whole lot of extra things going on. Follow your boy Chris the Fool, man. Make sure y'all check me out. Subscribe right now, man.
And he matching the C8.
Yeah, boy, look at that, man. Please.
I need to be on there.
Let's go, man. Let me see that.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Oh, yeah. You already know, man.
Who next, man?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Got ZP Official on YouTube, ZP Space Official. Y'all
Okay.
can type in real quick.
And you already know we got you, bro. You know we already up out here. Yeah.
Oh, y'all doing some shit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What else we got? Who we got?
Yeah,
Boy,
come
right here, what
on.
up?
On your video, CJ.
We met him the other day.
Yeah, come on, man. You got a channel?
I got a channel, DF1 Phantom. I'm mainly known for my airbrush. Done a few things, CeeLo Prim, a lot of celebrities. Did old girl Riley Lane's birthday outfit with the afro and all.
Yeah.
Doing my airbrush, mainly on the ground. DF1 Phantom.
Alright.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, you already know what it is, man. Hey, man, it's your boy Fierro Boy _86 up on YouTube and up on Instagram. It's 214 Fierro guy. I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Corvair and Fierro content. You already know what it is. Mid-engine, rear-engine gang all day. Let's go. Yes, sir. Y'all already know, man. We up out here. We turning up out here, man. Yes, sir. We turning up.
Yeah, look at us.
Hey, my boy.
That's cool, man.
No, you don't.
Come on, man. Come on, yeah. Come on, let's see it. Ooh, I love snakes, man. Snakes off the chain. I love snakes. Snakes are clean. Yeah.
What you moving for?
Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man. That right there was cool, man.
I just started. I did a only did a reaction to Q&A, man.
Okay.
Oh, it's all good.
What you got?
I got 20.
We all need to get like him right here.
Yes, sir.
I just handed out QR codes right easier than people typing it in. So.
Definitely, bro. Especially this day and age.
Yes, sir.
As we get it.
Yes, sir. Y'all already know. Y'all check out this Cadillac on bags. This Cadillac sitting low on bags, man. All the way down to the ground. No cash. Yeah, that right there is what's up. Yeah, man. Got this bad bitch. Got this Mustang, yes sir.
I heard it's your boy AR. It's just AR. Tap in, follow me. You see it on the shirt.
Yes sir.
Custom car footage all day long. Go on, tap in, follow your boy.
Come on, man. Let's go ahead and run them up, people. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Come on, man. What's that channel?
Big Less ENT. BIGLESENT.
Yes, sir. You already know what it is. And y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy Fierro Boy _86 up on YouTube and up on Instagram. It's 214 Fierro guy. I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Pontiac Fiero and Chevrolet Corvair footage all day, every day. Hey, as you can tell, mid-engine squad on deck. Let's go. Yes, sir, man. You know we up out here, man. Hey, we out here vlogging. Hey, we got this clean McLaren right here. Y'all already know what it is. Yes, sir. Come on.
Hey, catch this fade on Instagram. Catch this FBDE. I got my own car over here, but you know, it's no parking spots over here.
Oh yeah, most definitely, man. Hey man, it's all good. I mean, we all out here vlogging, man. We all out here networking together, bro.
Oh, yeah,
we all going up together, man. You already know, bro. You already know.
I should though.
Yeah. Who is this man right here, y'all? Who is?
My name is Cruising with Cam.
Yes, sir.
Instagram.
Look at that right there.
Wow.
You look at that, man.
Let me tell you who this man is.
Yeah.
I've been following this man since he was
Ooh, that's what's up. That's yeah.
I seen him on Hit Me Like channel. That's when I started following him.
Yeah, man. You know.
Man been doing it for a while.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
you already know, bro. You know we up out here.
Yeah. This man has a Fiero.
Yes. Yes, sir. I'm building. I'm actually building one right now. I'm actually building an 86 SE. I also got an 84 SE, and I also got a 63 Chevrolet Corvair convertible as well. Man, come on, man. Hey, we out here running it up, bro.
Hey, they all lightweight. That's the thing.
That's the thing. Yeah, most definitely.
All right, man. Hey, you should, when you say get done building that thing, you should be ridiculous.
Hey, I'm ready.
ready to run?
No, just wait till my brother will get done with his. He's actually building a Lambo right now. My brother building a Lambo off his Fiero right now. You know what I'm saying?
Good thing about Lambo?
Oh yeah.
They get up to like 2,000, 3,000.
Yeah. And so with my brother actually dropping off in his, he's actually dropping off a V10 BMW twin turbo motor in his Fiero. He about to go crazy. Boy, you get in this way, he over.
That man finna take the 2K race.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ain't nobody gonna fuck against him.
You know what I'm saying, man? You already know, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's about that big worm, y'all. Yeah, man, y'all already know. Turbo in the building. Ooh, look at this truck he got, man. Yeah. They got the trucks going on today. There you go right there, man. What's the dealio, man? Yeah, man. We out here turned up, boy. We out here turned up, dog. We out here turned up. People. Yeah, man. We out here turned up, people. We out here turned up. Yeah, man. We out here turned up. There he is. Out here turned up, people. Oh, that's good to see you. What's going on, man? What it do, big dog? Y'all already know, man. We out here turned up. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Look at this go over this thing right here, y'all. Yeah, we out here turned up, people. Ooh-wee. Yeah, man, we out here turned up. Yeah, man. My boy in the building. What's the dealio, man? What it do, man? Yes, sir. Y'all, so that right there is the end of this lit video, man. Hey, it was going down up here at this car meet, man. Most definitely, man. Where's your boy Fiero Boy 86? How we do it? It's a bird, it's a plane. Oh no, it's your boy Fiero Boy 86, and I'm out.